Clickup Workload Management tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the view of the workload into a space on your Clickup account and also how you can basically manage it. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the board or the space that we have a workload on it. For example, we are going to have it on this one. So I swear that I have added a workload. So let's see here. Normally it is going to be right there. So this is our workload. Now we're going to have the view of a workload right there. Scroll down on the more views, click on workload, and you're going to visualize your team capacity. So how it is going to work? Basically, it is going to set up the persons or the assignees which are going to be situated right there. You're going to have an hourly or a total volume of hours that you're going to have on the task. It is going to depend on the assignee and also the date estimate or the time estimate and also the due date. So here we have set up a date from today to Sunday. The estimate hour is going to be 2. The assignee is going to be TA. If I head over the workload TA, this is abbreviation of the person, we have on this date, which is going to be the 7th, and it is going to be today's date, 7 p.m. we have a charge or a volume of 5.1 hours. So basically you have the scheduled. When you click on it, you have task 3, which is going to last 30 minutes. We have task 1, 2 hours, task 2, 3 hours. So the 2 plus 3 is going to be 5 hours. The 30 minutes is going to be a half an hour, which means in this, normally it is going to be 5.3 hours. It have set it up as 5.1. So it is going to have this as a specific area. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is going to count it like that. So I'm going to try to modify the task 3 30 minutes to Sunday, and you're going to see the changement, and as you can see it is going to be detected as 5.5 hours or 5 hours and a half. So depending on the period, it is going to divide this specific date. So as you can see, you can manage or see the total of the hours or the assigned hours right there of the tasks. For example, I'm going to head over here. I create another task. I name it task 4. It is going to be unassigned, but the start date is going to be here. Due date is going to be maybe to this date. Time estimate is going to be 6 hours. And we are going to head over the workload. You're going to find that we have 3 hours here and 3 hours on the Monday. So total of 6 hours, but it is going to be unassigned. So that was how you can see your workload. Basically, you can go ahead and show the empty groups, hide them. You can go ahead and expand all, and also you can go ahead and see the tasks, and you're going to find everything. So basically you're going to have every task that you can modify. You can go and see the task. Zoom in a little bit, have a total, and boom. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.